What's going on, guys? Caleb here, Caleb's Property Maintenance. I'm here at a job that you guys might recognize. Small retaining wall was put in, not by me, but it was put in the fall. And then, if you guys recall, there was like a holly tree, a small one, not much taller than the garage right there. I think that was the only plant there. I'm trying to remember. And so I had to dig it out, and then I had to backfill, since where they dug for the retaining wall, I had to backfill that. And then now, since it was a little late in the fall to plant grass, I'm going to plant grass today. And so I thought I'd take this opportunity to show you guys how I actually plant grass and maybe help some people out. So I'll explain, and then I'll show you me actually doing it. So the first step, as you can see, it's sort of hard right now. Oh, actually not too bad. All right, that'll be good. Got some sticks on here, so I'm going to take the grass rake and rake off the sticks. And then I'm going to take the dirt rake and loosen up the dirt just a little bit. And then I'm going to spread the grass seed. And then I'm going to put some peat moss over top of it. And then hopefully this hose right here is... bummer. Looks like it's not turned on. Oh well. I'll have to tell the customer to be on the watering campaign. So that's basically it, guys. It's not that hard of a thing, but alright, let's show you how it's done. Always make sure you wear your proper safety gear, in this case my gloves. Oh yeah, this dirt, nice. Alright, so now we're going to take the dirt rake and go ahead and loosen up the soil a little bit. Hey, how are you?
I just sound Frank on time. I'm like, juice? Oh, I don't want more help.
Yep.
Alright, I'm one baby right now.
Oh.
Yeah, it's ready for 2 people. I'm not tonight.
Sorry for the interruption, guys. The customer came out, so. Alright, I got it all raked up, so now we're going to spread the seed. Very easy to do, just be careful, you don't want to go too heavy, but at the same time you don't want to go too little either. it's okay if you get it a little heavier in spots, because as soon as I'm done spreading it, we're going to actually take the grass rake and sort of rake it into the dirt a little. Alright guys, so now that I got the grass seed all spread, except for right up there by the garage, I am going to spread some shade grass seed there because it's a little shady. So, because I can sort of tell in front of the shed, that could be from foot traffic as well. I'm not 100% sure, but we're going to spread some shade and see what happens. Haha, spread some shade. Alright, so now we got the grass seed all spread, and now we're gonna spread the, oh no, thanks for reminding me guys, we gotta rake it in with the grass rake. Basically just like that, guys, just so you can see some of it, but as you can see, without it being raked, you can see all of it. So just make it partially buried. Alright, so the raking's done. Now let's spread the peat moss. It's very dusty, guys, by the way. Just a light covering. Nothing too fancy. It helps hold the water when you water. It helps hold it right there on the seed a little bit better. That wraps that up. So now I'm just going to spread some starter fertilizer over the top and then water it in and we're good. let's get the water. You don't want to go too heavy because you don't want to disrupt the peat moss. But at the same time, you don't want to go too light and not get it wet enough. Wash off the brick here. Alright, I think that should be good enough. I think that about wraps it up. That seed should be off to a great start. Get a little bit warmer weather here in Pennsylvania and things will really be going. So, alright guys, that's how you plant some grass. Thanks so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And guys, we'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.